To clean the printhead, make sure your printer is powered off. Open the print cover and remove the print ribbon cartridge. Using a cleaning swab, move it back and forth over the printhead until clean. Once clean, put your print ribbon cartridge in, close the printer cover, and you have now cleaned your printhead. To run a cleaning card through your printer, open the print cover and remove the print ribbon cartridge. Close the cover, open the input hopper, and remove any unprinted cards. With the display reading ready, select the user button. The menu available, press the enter button. Till you hit maintenance, push the enter button. To read cleaning card, push the enter button. To cleaning card start, push the enter button until you get insert cleaning card. Take your cleaning card out of the package, place it in the input hopper, push the user button. When your cleaning card is finished, remove the cleaning card. Open the print cover. Place the print ribbon cartridge back in. Close the cover. Press the user button. You have now cleaned your printer.